Is that chewing gum on your mouth? Okay. Throw it away. You can't be palm between chewing gum. Oboy and atagon. I'm off here. Baby.
Yes, sugar.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Someone.
Yes.
Do you know why I like you?
Why do you like me?
You are always hot. Like in the morning, you are hot.
Yes.
In the afternoon, you are hot.
You can say that again.
At night, take an apple.
Oh my God! Come and give me some sugar.
Oh.
Yes.
You are hot.
Enough.
Hotty, baby. What are you looking at? Face the gate. Face the gate.
Who is the moron?
Orini. Oh, you're in the bus.
Orini.
Every day one woman. Every day one woman. This is the 5th one. Eh? Wait, though. This my brother enjoy you. Is it that women is very easy for him to get, or that women are very cheap to get in this town? Unlike where I'm coming from, once you touch any woman, he will ask you, will you marry me? I see this town. I will make it in this town. I will make it. Ah.
Ofu, Ole. This one na original one. Hey, pure on colors, on colors, on cool colors, on clear the year. And who is that idiot that wants to bring down this my lovely gate?
Eh? Idiot! Your father idiot! Your father be idiot! Your forefather is idiot!
Madam, no verse. I don't know say na you. I don't know say na you.
You no say na me. You no go know now.
Madam, I was not expecting you now. I don't know say they come.
Okay, you are not expecting me. Yes. I was supposed to call you to tell you I'm coming to visit my son. Like, hello, gateman. Hey, I'm coming to see my son. Is that what you want?
No,
My phone they off.
Your phone they off. Is that why you're touching me?
No, I not touch you.
Where's my son?
Your son. Your son. Okay. Your son.
This boy is very foolish. Why are you looking for my son?
Sorry, man. No verse.
What is smelling? Yeah, this boy. Are you smoking in my son's house?
No, not me. Smoke, no. Now, our neighbor where they do burial. So, now the dead body they smell.
Yeah?
Now the dead body.
You are completely foolish. This boy you have been smoking.
No. Now dead body they smell. No?
And that sound.
Which sound?
Where is he coming from?
Which sound?
Music now.
Which music?
Can't you hear music from the parlor?
No. Scorpion died for my ear. Scorpion died in my ear. Chineke. Tango do.
Ego Igbo. Onye we ego we sone. Ọkwanu ego ji olu. Onye we ego we sone. Nwoke nọgodu mma. Onye we ego we sone. Nwa na-eme. Onye we ego we sone. Ijide kasha malugi. Ịpụta n'ọgbọ isoye mmemme without cash you are on your own. Ega maka. With money you go build empire. Follow men we don't build empire. Ego na-ekwu nwa kwugodo n'ọkụ. Ị na-eme anya ịghọta ife m na-akọ. Ego dị olu. Ọkwa onye we ego we sone. Ego Igbo. Ọkwa onye we ego we sone. Ego dị olu. Ọkwa onye we ego we sone. Ọkwa ịma na ego amaka.
Okay,
baby. I have the account now. You see, get
Hi.
Hello, you're all man. Continue some other time.
Hi, darling.
My mama, they fuck up. I go to the company, I say, call her for phone. Go say, my mama.
Now your mama now.
Now, I don't see one or two. This one, now, 3 days preaching. I dey come make you there.
Hey! Chidozie. So this is what you have been doing with your life, Natasha Paibia.
Mom, why are you sounding as if I'm a baby? I'm an adult, so please stop. I'm not a baby.
Ezioku, you are not a baby, yet you are behaving like a baby. Can you imagine the number of irresponsible girls you have in that living room? Eh?
Mom, I am a successful young man. So throwing party once in a while shouldn't be a problem. Is it affecting my source of income?
Hey, It is affecting your source of income. Is it no money they were squandering in that living room? Or no break?
Whose money?
It doesn't matter. Let me tell you. These women are so dangerous. You don't play with fire.
Mommy, stop now.
It's not possible.
Oh, you saw women not gone.
Hey, you don't understand what I'm saying. These girls are more dangerous than guns. I'm your mother, I'm talking to you. They are more dangerous than guns.
This conversation is becoming boring. Mommy, can you change topic?
Hey, I can't change
the topic.
You came.
Next time, call me before visiting me so that I will do clean up. You don't visit a man like me unannounced. If you say one or two, you believe we will. Next time, call me before coming so that I will clean up my environment.
Hey, this boy. Anyway, that is not why I'm here. The reason I'm here is because of your brother, Arenze. Has he not stayed long in the village for you to come and take him to township?
Help Arinze. Mama, I've told you these times without number. Nothing good will come out of that man.
God forbid. God forbid, not my first son. What What do you mean nothing good will come out of him? Something good must come out of him.
And I'm Wake Benanka.
Sometimes.
He did not go to school. For that reason, he cannot secure any job. He did not learn any trade. He cannot even bend down and learn anything under someone because of his age and how he looks. At the 45, and he looks like Orini, tolo tolo. So please, what do you want me to do?
Hey, these things you are saying now, have you forgotten that it's because of you that Arinze dropped from school?
Even if he goes to school, ubuleke. Even if Arinze goes to school anywhere, he will not do well in school. He has no brain.
All I know is that my son will amount to something bigger if you decide to help him. He's your brother. I don't know how you want to do it, but I know you can do it. Nyalini, I can help your brother now. Me, I'm tired of feeding an adult in my house. So.
That he's my brother or that he's my blood is not a license to my money. No. Am I the one that asked him not to be useful? No, all of us have the same 24 hours. He should go and make his own money and be useful. Is he not my other brother? He should be the one advising me, not the other way around.
You're not thinking well, oh. Chukwudozie, you're not thinking well, oh. Chukwudozie, you're working out on me. Chukwudozie, you're not thinking well. Because of you, God, you're not in a village. In a village, I'm tired of staying with an old man in my house. Come and take him. Just help him.
Hey, asa, the most beautiful girl I have ever seen in my life.
Arinze, stop it. You always swell my head with your words.
But that's who you are. Yes, just look at you, man. Nigga, asa. Yeah. Hey, again, man. How was your night? I hope you slept very well.
Yes, I did. Good morning.
Good morning.
Did you sleep well too?
Sure, I slept like a baby. In fact, I just lay down and I moved, dreaming all through the night, thinking about you, seeing your beautiful face, to the point that I didn't even know when day broke. And I woke up with smiles on my face, thanking God Almighty for bringing such a beauty to me.
Enokwa. I love you so much, Arinze, and I will always love you.
I love you more than you can ever imagine. And I would never, ever, I'll be very stupid to think of leaving you. For what? I heard you brought cassava.
Yes, I
For grinding.
cassava.
Oh, that's good.
So you grind it for me?
Let's go.
I want to make garri.
Don't worry, I will sort it out for you.
You will? Thank you so much.
This your house is beautiful. Hey, flowers everywhere. But this one that is here, is it flower or the cocoa?
Mama, you ask many questions.
This one is flower. I'm sure this one flower. But you see that one, it looks like unku. Does it produce palm nut?
Mama, you ask unnecessary questions. It is not unku. Mba.
Look at it now.
Mama, I want to take you out, okay? I'll take you to somewhere cool so that you can look around, eat one or two, and I'll go buy you like one or two dresses, then we'll come back.
That's good to know. That gets man.
What gets man?
I like that. I like him. I don't like him.
Why?
C4 is on AC.
No, he doesn't smoke, Mama. I know him.
I am telling you.
He doesn't smoke.
When your mother talks to you, you will know that is either she has seen something or has heard something. The other day I came here, I saw that boy. Immediately I came inside the gate, I saw him. He was behaving somehow and he was smelling everywhere. You have to be watchful over that boy. Be watchful of him. Honestly. Yes, be careful with him. So why are you taking me? I don't want to know with you. Why you take me to where they are playing with the Ito?
Mama is not around.
No, she went to the city to see my younger brother to see.
Oh, the Panama?
I don't know. She refused to tell me, but she said she's coming back tomorrow.
Okay. I will try to see soup then.
How did you know that Mama's favorite soup is a goosey soup?
I know now. Come, let's go and do the corn.
Okay, fine. Let me go set the fire first, okay? By the way, you are sleeping over tonight.
Why? What's again? Can you marry my mother? Do you want my mother to kill me?
See, she will not do you anything as long as you tell her that you're with me.
You?
Yes.
Also, my husband. Okay, my husband, you are yet sleeping.
Don't worry, very soon. You're going to be mad.
I can't. Oh yeah, let's go. I was the corn. I'm hungry.
Hey, I go near me.
Are you enjoying the food? Eh?
Hey, did somebody prepare this?
Yes, sir. Ha! I told her that egusi is your favorite soup.
No.
So she said she will make you one better egusi.
Wow, she's a nice girl.
She's a
Very
nice girl,
nice
but she's trouble. I'll leave
What's
that
the
to her.
trouble? Whether you call her trouble or not, she's a nice girl. Very nice girl.
Okay.
Anyway, I went to the city to see your brother. So we can talk about him coming to this village to take you out of here.
Take me out of here. Why?
Did you ask me that question now?
Yes, now. Why is it taking me out of the village? Did I complain?
Okay. Let me ask you my own question. What are you doing in this village? Are you not tired of staying in this village? Eh?
Ma, if I leave this village, who will take care of the house? Who will take care of you? Who will take care of my business? I have things I'm doing in this business keeping me here. Yes.
Okay, let me tell you something you don't know. Number one, Ikembo, I can take care of myself by myself. Nkebwa, number two, you don't have anything whatsoever to take care of in this village. Then number three, you see that thing you call business? I cannot even take care of you. Let alone the wife you're going to marry or the children. So you don't have any business in this village. Go to the town.
Okay, so if I live here, if I leave this village now, who will take care of Amarachi? I mean, who will I leave her for?
Okay. Hey, can't what nonsense. So it's because of Amarachi that you are in this village. Hey! Instead of you to go to the city and make it big like your younger brother, you are here following Amarachi up and down. That's already why.
Mama, Grace located my brother in the city. The same Grace will locate me in the village. In a phone now, just a while ago, you are saying that girl is Boka or some mother. Oh, now you don't change.
I did not bring up this topic for argument or even for your contribution, maybe. Bottom line is that your brother will be coming back this weekend and we are going to need you way forward. You're already in the city. If you are not ashamed of yourself being in this village at this your age, I, Ginika, is ashamed of being in the village. You myself.
Mama, I am not ashamed. Don't lie ashamed.
A full grown man like
I'm
you.
doing well.
Do you look at your size? People will not even remember your age. The only thing they will bother about is your size.
Mama, everybody have their own time. When my time comes, I will shine. This same mouth you haven't talked this thing. That time, you still use this same mouth to be saying, arrange the woman.
Hey, I believe you, but you have to do it in the city, not here. Okay.
How old is he?
He should be 45 years now.
He's no longer a baby.
That's the point. He's no longer a baby, and I've been trying to explain to our mother that, look, this man is now old. What am I supposed to do for him?
Maybe you set him up on a trade.
Which trade? He knows nothing about business. He runs a cassava mill in the village. Is that one business?
Okay, maybe you bring him here to, let him run a trade under somebody.
Look at his size. Look at his age. He cannot bend down to learn anything under anybody. I know him now. We've tried that severally.
But what has he been doing in the village till he got to this age? And he's not educated.
As for education, he sacrificed his education for me. But he wasted the useful part of his life in the village, doing nothing. Now, Okago, chances of getting useful and becoming someone special at old age, on the rare.
But you still have to help him. He sacrificed his education for your own. You have to help him.
Help him how?
Just have to do something for him.
You can't even take him to someone and say, okay, learn a trade under this person. He's too big for that. He's making the help difficult. Because if you're wrong.
Thank you so much for this soup. Help me at once. You're a good cook. What? You're a good cook. Baby, now I'm check. I put back on good back and all of them.
I'm so happy.
Thank you. Oh, I love you. I feel like very sweet.
Thank you, Mama. Mama, how was your journey to the city? I hope you had a sweet one.
Yes. It was snowy. I saw my son was there and we talked. He's not at home now. And there's something I want to carry out.
I hope he's here.
Yes. If there's nothing wrong, is that why your relationship with her is?
My mother did what?
She said I should go ahead and get married. That it would take a long time before you'll be ready and prepared for marriage. She has intentions of sending you out of this village.
I mean, how could she? Why would my mother tell you this nonsense? I told her, like I made it clear to her that I am not going to the city and she chose to come to you. What kind of nonsense is that?
Calm down. She's only speaking from a place of concern and care. You and I know that you're not financially ready to take care of me and marry me. Marry me means you have to take care of my needs. At least my basic needs.
That is why I said you should give me some time. I will handle this, honey. I mean it. And then stop listening to my mother. I mean, what is she trying to prove? Why would she be telling you this rubbish?
She's only saying what she thinks is right. I'm already getting small pressure from my parents concerning you.
I know. And that's why I'm asking you to give me small time. Please. I'll handle these things. It's a small thing. It's just a matter of time. Oh?
Arinze, are you sure you don't need to go to the city to progress like your fellow men?
My mother is brainwashing you, right? Do you know how many people in this city that made it from this village? See, Rome was not built in a day. It's one step at a time. You don't know what God has in store for us. Yes. Okay, dear, have you considered people that went to the city to look for that money and they came back empty-handed? Maybe my destiny is not there. Let's take these things one step at a time, please. Oh? Because
Arinze, Chukwu. Arinze. Arinze. Tell me about monkey. Arinze, your food is there and you have not touched it. And it's getting cold. Okay, I
am not hungry.
Huh?
Yes.
You're not hungry? Let me guess. Oh, is it because of what I told Amarachi?
Mama, why would you do that? No, why would you even tell Amarachi what you told her? I want to ask you, why do you derive so much joy in seeing me sad? Why do you like causing me pain? Eh? You know I love her so much.
Love
You know
one
me
thing.
go be born.
Love one thing. Love in a bed. Hey, get him up in the Hey. Your brother is coming back tomorrow. And you're going to follow him back to the city. Yeah, in our love, he in our love. You love China. You pack your bag to follow him to the city. And after you didn't lie door. Did you hear me? You don't want to get here. Overboard.
Hi! They come. I see the hot. Sharp. No time. Hey. You just know this one, the original one.
No, for you. What are you saying? Eh? I don't ever say fake give you before.
Oh,
No, real now. Huh?
you just say this one come direct from Canada or Pakistan.
Guy, just the Jones me now. Now for you. This one I confirm direct from Canada now. Now for you.
Because you know since when you don't play this, I no trust you. This one where your eye they shine like
Guy, you
like
go
Barack
smoke this
Obama.
thing, abi you no go smoke am. You go smoke this thing now.
Oh, yeah, give me lighter.
Now for you.
I see the hot.
Now for you. What did happen? How far? You say this one na ojom. Confirm ojom.
This one no dey gingy.
Now for you. I no tell you.
Confirm. Confirm.
Drag am more.
Because you know my one, okay? My one. This one na confirm. If I lie, make thunder fire me. This one no re.
Thunder don't fire you already.
Hmm.
I'm one. Drag more.
So if they bring this one, me and you no go dey get issue. Me and you no go get issue at all.
Gas. I mean, drag am.
This one enter.
Drag am more. Pass am from your nose.
This one go make me Nkulu Jinjim. Odon Jinjim.
Why?
Hey, Nga.
I don't understand. Guy,
Nga.
calm down now. Don't shake me. Let's shake like real G. Not for you.
You like the belly person for you. You bury anybody for you?
Huh?
You bury person for you?
No.
You like so my God don't die, you. My God don't die. Come sit down now. Sit down for floor. Sit down for floor.
They smoke.
Sit down for floor now.
Smoke now for you.
Okay. Hey. Because you don't sure say the bury person here. See, I'm the bury person. The bury people here. Here na bury a grant.
Smoke am well. Smoke am. Come out from your nose. Do am well.
I know they see my nose. Though.
See your hand here. Drag am.
No. This thing not be my hand. It is not my hand.
Now your hand. Drag am. Make it come off from your nose. Smoke am.
I know they see my nose. Oh.
Now you
I know they see my nose. You they see my nose.
I see your nose.
See my nose. Now my nose.
You get pointed nose. Guy,
I be fine boy.
Now for you know now.
I know now.
Ha! Hey! Aha! Oh, one now. Go ahead.
Hey!
Guy.
Na Taraba State be this?
Yes, so.
No. We don't reach Taraba.
We don't reach.
Taraba no far. No, Taraba no far.
Guy, they smoke.
Hey. Na for bed I down. Na for bed.
Try smoke more.
This one nemic foam. Nemic foam go down like this. Nemic foam. Sit down for ground now.
Don't worry, I don't sit down.
Why you can't go heaven? Sit down for ground.
Are they earth, guy? Smoke now.
No be you with
No
Abraham.
be just you, guys.
Why
Smoke.
see for heaven? Now you with Abraham. Why see for heaven? See you for heaven. Hey. Where my pillow? Where my pillow?
It dey here.
Wow.
It dey here. Drag one. Here, the last one.
Not all. Take away.
Drag am now.
What is na my pillow be this o? Na my pillow be this.
Now you pillow.
Make her lie down.
Yeah.
Make her lie down. My lie down.
Yeah, lie down.
I no dey see you for bed. Where you? Lie down for bed now. Where you?
Lie down.
Lie down for bed now.
Don't. I did there already. Come.
Where pillow? Where pillow? Oh.
Show the gate man don't pass out. Everywhere clear.
Honestly, I don't know how I'm going to tell him. And I don't know how he's going to react to it.
My dear, I understand you. I understand how you feel too. But you need to tell him. However, you need to tell him that you have no option than to marry the man that is asking for your hand in marriage. Eh? Or do you want your parents to disown you?
No, I don't want that, no. It's just that it's going to really be difficult for him. I know Arinze very well.
Well, difficult tasks are for strong people. Arinze, my son, is a strong man. The only thing you need to do is talk to him. Afterwards, I will still talk to him. By the time all of us keep talking to him, he'll know how to snap out of pain. He'll snap out of pain.
Mama, why are you doing this? Are you doing this because you want me to stay away from your son? So he can go to the city?
I don't know how to answer this question straight, but the only thing I want you to know is this. Whatever I am doing, I'm doing it for my son's good and for your own good too. Look at you. You are all beautiful and all grown for marriage. You cannot continue waiting for my son that is not totally ready for marriage. I mean, totally. He's not yet totally ready for marriage. Just partially, not totally. He has to be totally ready for marriage before he gets married. You understand me? Get married.
Cletus,
Okay.
you say you know the smoke,
Oh God, I know this smoke.
but I met you unconscious with cannabis by your side. Igbo, what does that mean?
Okay. I can explain, Oga.
Make it snap.
I beg.
Where is my car?
Okay, your car. Daddy, you know, sir, I dey buy smoke from Boma hand. They sell cheap rate. They sell cheaper rate. So, Daddy, I can't go buy for Bukas in hand. As I smoke the thing finish, the thing can't knock me down. I don't even know what I smoke. Whether na loud or cannabis. Cannabis, you go know that one.
It's very stupid. So you bought something that you don't know. You smoked it, slept off, and they moved my car. Officer, please move this idiot.
Officer, hand my required
Shut up, move!
Hand my diabetes, officer.
Get up.
Hand my required diabetes. Oga beg now.
Move in.
Oga beg.
Let's go.
Oga beg. Oga.
Shut.
Move. Oga beg.
I said move.
Oga beg.
Move! Move in.
Mom.
Move! Move!
If I don't see my car, you're gone. In a second.
This is
is unacceptable. How can he say that he didn't see when your car was taken?
I met the idiot lying down unconscious.
Maybe he has no hand in it.
But the problem is what he smokes. He was asleep when they took my car. My mother warned me about that boy, but I never listened.
Smoking is not the problem. But smoking to the point that he's being knocked down, to the point that they took your car without him knowing, is the problem. He has to pay for it. He has to.
Osezikolos.
Immerse.
I just hope they recover my car. The trackers are still on it. I just hope.
If they don't, he needs to pay for it. He just have to pay.
Tell me you are joking.
I'm sorry. I wish I was.
Amachi, you can't possibly be thinking about another man when you have me. I mean, not after all we've shared.
I'm sorry, Arinze. My parents are going to disown me. Is that what you want for me? You need to understand, please.
Amachi, please, okay. Give me to the end of the month. Let me work out something. Let me make some money, at least pay your bride price, Biko. Let me do the needful. Please, just give me small time, Biko, please.
Arinze, I'm sorry. I am.
Don't do this to me. I'm begging you. Don't do this to me. I'm begging you, please.
I wish it was in my hands, but you know it's not in my hands.
Please. Okay. You had this all planned out, right? Yes. That is why you refused to sleep with me. Because you were saving your body for another man.
Arinze, what are you saying? Arinze, I waited for you. I waited for you.
I'm asking you to give me small time. Just small time. Small time.
My parents will not allow that. I have tried. I've been waiting for you, Arinze, to make money and marry me. It's not my fault. I'm sorry.
Pico. I'm begging you, Pico. Don't do this to me. Don't be a boy, Pico, please. You just give me small time. Let me make money. I will do the needful. Pico.
I can no longer wait, Arinze. I'm sorry.
Pico.
You have to help me. I'm about to lose Amarachi.
Oh, I don't understand this begging, you know. What do you expect me to do this day?
You only listen Amarachi is getting married because I cannot afford to marry her now.
Arin, I should borrow you some money for you to go and pay bride price and rest. Okay, I should help you so that our parents will come after me, okay? They will come after me and say that I'm the one having the problem.
No, I'm not sure. Are you going to tell the parents? You don't have to tell. I just need some money. Let me just secure her. Because if I'm able to make some money now, before the day that they give the other person that's coming to marry her, Amarachi is ready to leave that man for me. She loves me and you know it. Yes.
And you now give you money. You will just have one. They go by bread.
If you want to give how do you do that? What's the solid?
Like, the problem is not me giving you the money. Neither is it you bringing me back. The problem is, if I give you money for that, who will give you money back then? Who will give you money for Ega Kamuwa? Who will give you money for baby we arrange? You want to borrow money to marry a girl. You don't know that when you marry a woman, there are so many other responsibilities that come after it. Money matter.
God will provide. Yes. What God does not do, does not do.
Like, if you want me to give you money to go and pay bride price, if you are Marachi, will you agree for a man to borrow money to marry you? Will you agree for a man to borrow money to marry you? I have told you. Go to the city and make money like your brother. If you make money, then you come back to talk about you getting married. I told you before that if you don't make money, that someone will make money and come and take a marriage from you. It's happening now. Doesn't even make go. I don't like this story. Machete picker.
Osondo, please. You know I've never asked you for anything before. I need your help. Please, I need you to assist me. Biko, I hope you can. Can you?
No, Omega, no have money.
You've not even heard how much I want to ask for. Okay, 100,000 naira is not much. Just give me, please. I promise you, by December I'll give you back.
I don't have.
Okay, give me 50. Just give me half of it, 50. Let me try and make it up somewhere else. Biko, I'm in a fix. Please.
My brother, if you say I have, I'll give you. You know that. I don't have.
Okay. Anything you can come up with. Let me try and hustle somewhere else and meet up. Please, I need to marry this girl. Biko, whatever you can give me, give me. I need to marry Amarachi. Biko.
So after marriage, what next? Will you still borrow money to feed her?
But I love her.
Oh, boy, you love a fucking iron. See, if Amarachi can't wait for you to make money, forget her, let her go. Leave Amarachi. Make money first. You don't pass this level now where you're talking. This level now, you don't pass her. Honestly, the truth, you don't pass the level. See, don't put yourself in a situation that you can never come out.
I don't want to lose her. I can't lose her.
I wish you can marry that girl, Amarachi.
Then help me.
But I don't know. Just let her go. If you really love that girl, Amarachi, let her go. Let her go so that she can marry the person that will take good care of her. Honestly.
Osondo.
Marriage is not do or die affair, brother. No marriage can survive without money. If you love Amarachi, leave her. Make she go marry the person who can take care of her very well.
Do you know I thought you were my friend?
And you are a very good one.
Oh, shut up your mouth, you very, very good girl. Very good words. You are an enemy of progress. Enemy of progress. Your guy came to you with this kind of situation, something that maybe fair, and I'm begging you to assist me. You said you don't have money. You don't have money, Abi?
I don't have money.
You will never have money. No, see money. You can never ever have money in your life. And one fear. You see that money? You never get that money at all.
As if I be my God. I go marry Amarachi now. I go there. I go leave you come for this village. Go now. Me, I will carry money come back. Go marry the Amarachi.
The truth is that after interviewing the two guys you sent for me, those security men, I lost interest. Yes, they are not fit for what I want. They can't work with me.
Well, getting those serious ones these days are very difficult.
Even though we say my gateman Jones, I need security. But no wahala. If you see another set of people, send them to me. But as per those two, no.
Okay, so
we can't work. My spirit not accept them.
No wahala. Who is that?
And my mom's here.
Answer her now.
No, I know why she's calling. I'll go see her later.
It means you'll be traveling.
Guy, later we'll talk for phone.
No wahala now.
No problem.
Okay now.
Ego jolu, ego ibo, ijide kasha malugi, iputano boy so ye meme without cash you are on your own.
Hey. You are still raging. Eat your food, girl. understand how you feel. And I mean well for you. God in heaven knows that I mean well for you. And I know that He will provide you with a more beautiful girl when you are financially ready. I'm praying hard that very soon you'll be financially ready. Remember, eat your food.
I think you're right. I love Amarachi so much. Honestly. Everything I have wished is to have us in my world. So it won't make sense if I'm married and I cannot be able to take care of her. As painful as it is, I have to let go. I have this prayer. I'm forced. But what can I do?
I think the best option you have now is to follow your brother to the city and this man has said the English, the beautiful ones are not yet. The more beautiful they are. And that's how you're able to provide for you can generate.
Baby, come in. Who are you? I should be asking you that question. Who are you? Young lady, I am asking you, who are you? You can't just barge into my house and expect me to be quiet. Who are you?
Your house?
Yes, my house.
Oh my goodness. Did you say your house? Oh, really? Your house?
Look, if you don't tell me who the hell are you, I am going to call police on you. Or better still, throw you outside the gate where you belong.
Throw me out? Hello, my name is Judy.
Yes?
You can't throw me out. And if there's anyone that should be thrown out of this house, it should be you for intruding in my man's house. For crying out loud, who the hell are you?
Seriously, your man's house?
Of course, my man's house.
Young lady, this is Dozier Ebonamu's house.
Of course. I know. This is his house. My man's house.
Your man's house.
How am I even exchanging words with you? Who the hell are you? Dozier!
Excuse me, young lady, excuse me.
Dozier!
Oh, so you're one of those bitches that want to take my man away from me.
Dozier!
Do you know how many years
I shouldn't be exchanging words with you? How dare you? If you touch me, come here.
Mama, do you remember Benji? Benji Okafor that was having a beer parlor at the market square.
Okay.
Benji Ogozu.
Eh?
Mama, Benji controls 5 to 6 businesses in the city now. So I'm talking to you.
Business.
Ah!
Money.
Do you know the thing? All the money he used to establish this business was from this village that he made it. That's his restaurant at the village square. That's where he made all the money. Mama, why do you want to send me out of this village? If Benji Okafor can make it in this village, why can't I make it? Any Benji? Ordinary Benji?
Hi. Oh, it's because of these points now that you are telling me about Benji. There is something you are missing about this whole story you told me now. Benji Okafor has a brother that is in Jamo. And is that his brother has been helping him with the businesses in his village. So, give me don't compare yourself with him.
Good, Mama, I have a brother in the city who also wants to help me with what I'm doing in this village. Allow him to help me. Mama, I go make him. I'm telling you, I will make it.
Help you do what exactly? Help you do? To be grinding garri for people is the business you're doing in the village that your brother will help you do. Okay, answer me. How many bags of garri do they grind there? How many people are there in your shop in a day? Is that how you want to be a wealthy man? You cannot be a wealthy man with that type of business. You need to leave this village, go to the city and make money.
Mama, I want to ask something. Why don't you believe in me? You believe you don't hear what name at all. Nothing good can come out of me. Why?
Arinze, I gave birth to you. You are my first son. And I believe so much in you, but not in this village. You need to leave this village, go to the city before you make money that will make you a wealthy man. You better tell me go. Mama, you cannot be going about in this village now.
Nobody believes that Benjo Carrefour will make it in this village. Nobody believes though.
Go to the city and make money like others, like your brother especially.
So what do I will make him.
I'm watching. You better leave here. See what the village up, bro. See, I'm my one. See the village. Leave this place for me, oh. Go to the city and make money. Never na guy listen on all that guy. You get money now. Take go see my now. Apa gari na baby.
Ego Igbo onye we ego we sone ọkwa no ego dị olu onye we ego we sone nwoke nọgodu mma onye we ego we sone nwa na-eme onye we ego we sone ijide kasha malugi ịpụta n'ọgbọ isoye mmemme without cash you are on your own ega maka with money you go build empire.
Dozie? Eba Kibi. This is your house. Just look, see machine. Lexus, machine.
Hey. Yeah. Hanlele. This is not why you are here. Hanlele. Akum now. Move now.
So, wait, so you live in this kind of house, not Afuna village? Not Afuna village, not Waka.
You're welcome. Listen. You can't make noise in this vicinity, okay? And always mind your business.
No problem.
Make yourself comfortable. Baby, what happened?
How dare you? How dare you lay your filthy hands on me? After all you have done? Rubbish.
Dozie, wait. Did you really allow her to go? Who is this girl to give you a slap right before me? Mbamba, I don't call you for what?
Come back here. Learn to mind your business. I just said it now. Mind your business. Baby. Someone.
Like this, or baby Hey.
I'm sorry, okay? I'm sorry.
You are sorry. Then who the hell is she? To have come in here and attacked me. No fear or respect at all.
She's just someone I met at the club. We are supposed to do business together. That's it.
Wait. Let me understand you. You're trying to tell me that you don't have any business with this lady that came here today?
Trust me, I have no business with her.
Please, can you just stop lying? Can you stop it already? I know that you have been cheating on me with all those bitches, but I needed to confirm it first.
Trust me, it's not what you think, okay? It's not what you think. We are supposed to do a business together. That's it. Trust me.
Dozie, I know you very well. Okay, if you say that you don't have anything to do with her, bring out your phone. Bring it out. I want you to delete her number and block her.
Is that necessary?
Yes, it is necessary if you still want me to love and trust you again. It is.
Arinze, there is no job vacancy around here.
Okay.
But my wife suggested something, and I like what she said. You will start working as our gateman.
Yeah?
Yes, it's for the meantime, and that's the only space we have around here.
Wait, did you tell her who I am to you?
Of course. She knows you are my other brother. But being my other brother does not give you license to my money now or to luxury automatic. You will work as our gateman so that you can be earning salary monthly. I can be giving you, okay, take this because you need to be useful around here. No.
So, if I am her elder brother, will she allow me to be a gateman in her own house?
Listen, you cannot sit down in my house and be questioning my woman. No. It's highly unacceptable. You don't have such right. We're helping you. You're adding pride. Eh? You don't have money. Look at the space you're taking. Listen, the only space we have here is that gate. Be my gate man. If you're angry or if you don't like it, get your own house now. Make your own money. Don't even give me. Enjoy. When we come begging in your house or seeking for favor, you can now be asking us questions. You can't sit on my couch and be questioning my wife. No. Stop that, huh? You want such right.
Baby, it's okay. Maybe you didn't understand him very well. He said for the meantime.
When you're joking, I'm talking with my younger brother. I'm talking to my brother.
You can't talk to my woman like that. Medinage, don't do that. So work as our gate man or go back to the village. Please.
Baby, let me go and cook for him.
Don't say that. As what? Are you his chef? Relax. My friend, if you want to cook, there is a stove there. Cook there, eat there, and have fun. You are the new gate man, so enjoy. Okay? And stop looking at me as if I'm doing something wrong. What's your problem? Baby, let's go upstairs, okay?
Okay, my love.
Also, you can't be in my house and be wearing that cap. Mba. Mandiko, new here, but you will remove it, okay? In fact, I will get you uniform as a gate man. No, thank you. Doing this. Baby, let's go.
Without cash, you are on your own. Without cash, you are on your own.
I came to my own brother's house. I mean, my younger brother. And right in front of his woman, he asked me to go and make food for myself. Even when the woman opted to give me food. Oh, hear this. I have not seen this kind of insult in my life. Where is it done? To make the matters worse, he even said I will be a gate man. In my brother's house.
Remember the sacrifice. It's not a way to pay it back.
Wait, is it only onions I will eat?
Is that chewing gum on your mouth? Okay. Throw it away. You can't be palm between chewing gum. Uboy and atagon. I'm off here. Baby.
Yes, sugar.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Someone.
Yes.
Do you know why I like you?
Why do you like me?
You are always hot. Like in the morning, you are hot.
Yes.
In the afternoon, you are hot.
You can say that again.
At night, take an apple.
Oh my God! Come and give me some sugar.
Oh.
Yes.
You are hot.
Enough.
Hotty, baby. What are you looking at? Face the gate. Face the gate.
Who is the moron?
Orinni. Oh, yeah,
Orini.
Every day one woman. Every day one woman. This is the 5th one. Eh? Wait, though. This my brother they enjoy you. Is it that women is very easy for him to get, or that women are very cheap to get in this town? Unlike where I'm coming from, once you touch any woman, he will ask you, will you marry me? I see this town. I will make it in this town. I will make it. Ah, I can carry woman. In the hot. Woman rapper.
Ego, ego, ibo. Ego jiolu. Okwe manega amaka. Ego jiolu. Ego, ego, ibo. Ijide kasha malugi. Iputano boy so ye meme without cash you are on your own.
What kept you? Kneel down. Go down. Idiot. Orinni. Are you okay? Oh, so don't mind that idiot.
Every day one new girl. Every day one new girl. Eh? And you are so mean. Now one nigga here now una konji. You go. See, one of you, all these girls, one of you enter my trap. If I catch any girl, in my way I won't call you. You walk. I must get one person. Just one person.
Okwe manega amaka. Ego jiolu. Ego, ego, ibo. Ijide kasha malugi. Iputano boy so ye meme without cash you are on your own. Ega amaka. Ijide kasha.
I'm traveling. Orinni. But they're good. Every minute you're sleeping. I will not be sleeping secret. Alright, take care. Bye. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Thanks for coming.
Okay?
Huh?
Sorry. You get what?
Go back. It's already I'm no.
Sorry, sir.
You can talk from there.
There's something I wanted to tell you. When I leave at the cut me since. Please. My brother. See, I've been seeing the way you they carry women. You don't even consider your brother where they get. Even if not one of them, just give me. At least let that one be warming my bed at night.
This is the reason you are poor. Yes. What have I not done for you? I started business for you, you finished the money. I know what Mama begged me to keep you here so that you will stop wasting in the village. Now I kept you here and you're asking me to borrow you a girl. You want a woman, eh? Each one why? If you want a woman, make money, build a house, call your own gateman. Are you getting me? Then start enjoying life. You can't be here and telling me to give you a woman. The next time you say something like this, I will kick you back to the village. I'm not here. You want woman. Go loon chabo. You go there belongs.
Only go this level. Snake me kwari get better. Go future take ya dey ya. No, let one come when you're not around. Man, you were rape, eh? You were rape. How can I be here? You just dey chop all the girls alone. Stingy human being, not even one, I cannot leave one. Even if not the ugliest one.
Cheers, baby.
Hotty, hotty.
Yes, my sugar pie.
Okay, you sent for me.
Aha. What in me? Go down the street. There is a chemist down there. Buy me 2 packs of Durex.
Sir?
Who? You were ear problem. Orinni. I said buy me Durex. Huh?
Sorry, sir. What do you say I should buy? Is it medicine?
I said buy me Durex.
Durex. Okay, sir.
Should I write it like Durex? Durex!
Sir, what is it used for?
Get out of this place, Orinni.
Please stop.
Tolo. I've never seen a poor man that has Tozo.
Just let him be. But you know what amazes me? The way he said he's your elder brother.
He is my elder brother, Maneri.
How? Battery? How?
-1.
Oh my goodness.
-1.
That's why he's looking like a puff.
What do you mean now?
See his body, everything like burger. Baby, please don't allow him to spoil our mood.
That's what's up.
You know what? Let's drink up. So that once he's here, I will go and give it to you from the back, behind, bent, you know?
Yeah, Arinze. What do you mean he's into girls? God forbid, my son will not catch AIDS. But what are you doing there as an elder brother? You don't know that you're supposed to guide his footsteps. You're supposed to do your duty as an elder brother. If he's going wrong, you correct him. What do you expect me to do from here? Okay, he does not listen to you, he will listen to me. Is that what you think? Fear that you are his gate man in that compound does not mean that you should not correct him when he is wrong. If he's doing the wrong thing, correct him. It doesn't have any relevance with what you do in his house or whatever. Just correct him. Arinze, stop calling me. Correct your brother, Keyo. Stop calling me. Keyo. What is wrong with you? You're supposed to take your duty seriously as an elder brother. If he goes wrong, you correct him. Why are you calling me on the phone? I'm begging. That dossier of my son is doing too much. Mama, you're welcome. Hey, there's something I've been contemplating, and I need to talk to you about it so you can help me take a solid decision.
I hope all is well.
I think it's high time I got my son married.
Ha! Did you have his approval on that?
His approval. Approval indeed. Do I need his approval? Norma, you need to see the number of girls my son is rolling with in that city. Do you know the number of cheap girls that are throwing themselves at my son in the city? And you're talking about approval. They will never.
I heard it though. I heard that a lot is happening in that city. It's you.
You didn't hear well. You need to see for yourself. I went to the city and saw it koro with my eyes. Dozie will kill himself if I don't get a wife for him. if you see fine girls that do not have value for themselves.
Hey!
They don't have value for themselves. They throw themselves at men like very cheap girls. So when you have such cheap articles around you, will you talk about settling down? You have a very good point here. But is it not better you allow him make a choice of wife you want to marry? Go ahead, they can have an area wife. Let him make his choice.
Norma, have you been listening to me?
I am listening.
You're not listening.
Yeah.
If you are listening, you understand that when you have cheap girls around you, throwing themselves at you, you won't talk about getting married. If you leave those here, from now till eternity, he will never make a choice of a wife. Because that is why I invited you.
Upon the city girls.
The reason I invited you here is to help me, Maranya Luga, carry him. You're more cool-headed than I am. Please, find me a decent girl from a decent home. We have a wedding to plan.
So I will do that for you. City girls.
Kwenu. With the pepper skirt, you see the skirt? Half naked.
Who is there? Yeah, how are you?
Fine.
Give me Dunamis.
Dunamis?
Yes.
Dunamis is a church. It has nothing to do with a drug.
Why are people calling this in church? It's not church. My brother said I should come to chemist's shop and buy him Dunamis. And you're telling me it's church.
Sorry, I don't know what you're talking about. Dunamis is supposed to be a church. Yes.
Dunamis. Is it not do? Do something. Yes, now. Do.
The only thing that starts with do here is Durex. That's condom for sex.
Hey. All these children are who spoil. Where are your mother?
Excuse me, I'm the owner of this shop.
You're not of this shop?
Yes.
Is this a chemist or provision store?
It's none of your business.
I don't know why you cannot have ordinary Dunamis. And you're telling me that Dunamis is, you have Durex, that is condom. See where your mind go. I'm looking for Dunamis, and you're telling me Durex. So if I buy the condom, I will use that for you on you, Abi.
Dunamis is a church.
So. Abi, where is your mother?
I am the owner of this shop, okay?
Durex, condom. No, nah. My brother cannot send me to go and buy condom. No, it's not possible. I mean, what is wrong with all these children? I asked you for Dunamis. First thing that came to your mind is condom. When you go to market, ask them where. How come you stop? Don't know anything.
Look at that motherfucker uniform. Guy over there? Yes. That's the guy I've been waiting for. Okay. That's the brother. Okay. Yeah, we have so many answers to our question. I need him. Go get him. Okay, boss.
Without cash, you are on your own. With money, you go build empire.
Sir, I forgot the name.
You forgot the name of what I sent you to buy. Is something wrong with your retentive memory? Like at your age and stage, you cannot buy something.
So look at the name, they sound.
Keep on eating -1 of them. Are you sick? What's your problem? So you cannot go down there and buy something. I said Durex. D-U-R-E-X.
Durex.
Baby, you know what? Just relax. I will go by myself and get the condom. You don't have to worry.
No, you're my visitor.
Wait, na condom?
Yes.
Hey, that chemist woman said this, Do you know the woman told me it's condom that is used for sex? I said no. How can my junior brother send me to, my oga send me to go and buy condom? No, now. Hi. Okay, but you make mistake. If you tell me say I go circle or maybe kiss, I would have. Sorry. Now that I know, let me go and buy it.
Oh my God, I know how you feel. This your brother? He's not used to modern facilities. So just take it easy with him. Little by little, he will understand everything, please.
I didn't want to tell you what I will tell you now before your girl. But Oga, I think you're in trouble.
It is your forefathers that are in trouble. Stop getting on my nerves. You bought condom for me. That means I've been busy. So let me rest.
By the time I finish telling you what I want to tell you now, we will know whether it is the condom you'll be worried about or something else. I saw Okoisi. And he told me everything. Yes, he told me everything that transpired between the two of you. How you made your first fast money. No, I've seen it now. Mr. Hardworker. Well done.
Are you for real?
I'm for fake. In fact, you're even lucky. Just one thing made me change my mind because he pressured me to give him your address. But for some reason, I did not do that.
Arinze, you must not do that. On no account, no matter what, he must not know where I stay.
No?
Please.
I will. Yes? Since I came here, since I started living with you, have you been treating me well? No, I'm begging. Since I'm going to get man, he sent me to the gate.
Listen, blood is thicker than water. You must not tell him my whereabouts, okay?
Blood is thicker than water, when the ego is involved, forget blood and thicker than water. Now water can be thicker than blood, the ego is involved. I will collect money and tell him where you are.
If you tell him where I stay, he will hurt me. Don't you understand?
Have you not been hurting me since I came here? No, check in here now. You have been hurting me. So, this
is internal hurt. Please, don't give him my address, okay?
Oh, babe. Baby. Baby. Baby, is everything all right? Since you finished having a conversation with your brother, you haven't been yourself. What's the matter?
It's nothing.
It's nothing? And you're this worried. How can you say it's nothing?
I need to be left alone.
I don't understand. Baby, I'm your woman. I should know when my man is happy or not, so you can share everything with me.
Excuse me.
Really? Wow. Okay. If you say so, I'll be inside. Just try and cheer up, okay?
I thought I ended that bastard's life. How did he survive? Shit. I'm serious. What do I do now?
Hello, my guy. What's up? My guy, can you imagine? I just discovered that this motherfucker is in this town. Huh? He's in this town spending my money, the money that he stole from me. Imagine the impetus. Huh? Look at somebody that I brought to Toronto to show him the way. And the only way that he could pay me back is to steal my money. Look at somebody that I brought to Toronto and the only way that he will pay me back is to take my money. Eh? This boy stole my money. And he's in this town spending my money anyhow with some girls and all that shit. But not to worry. I'll stop at nothing but to get him. My boys have eyes on him. I beat my chest. I'm going to get him. And I will deal with him decisively. He doesn't know who he's dealing with. You know, when a child spits on the air, it falls back at him and thereby defiles his face.
I betrayed him. I took his money. I thought he was dead. I never knew he was going to come back. It all happened in Toronto.
You get mind. Dozie, you get mind. Okosi is our accounts man, our brother. Yet you get mind chopping money.
I'm sorry.
Let me tell you sorry. No, I'm telling the wrong person. You should look for Okosi. If I were you, I would just go and submit myself to Okosi and tell him sorry, apologize to him. Because even if I don't tell him where you are staying, that man that I saw will track you.
That means I'm going to jail.
Okaroma, it's not better you go to jail peacefully than he comes here with his talks, he tear you go before you go to jail. It's better for you. And if you dey go jail, my brother, you know, all these things you have, I will advise you will them to me. You understand? Not that I'm wishing you not come back, but in case anything happens to you inside jail there, at least your money no go lost.
Yes, you have a point. Yes, I'll transfer everything I have into your account so that I will tell Okosisi that the money, something happened to the money. If he sees my account, he sees that my accounts are empty, he will believe me. So first thing tomorrow morning, we are going to the bank. I will open an account with your name and transfer money into it, okay?
I think it's a good idea. You are smart. You're a good one.
Baby, I don't get it. What do you mean by I should leave your house? To where exactly?
I'm traveling. So go, pack your things and go.
You're traveling? Traveling to where?
I'm going on a vacation, like a business trip.
Fine, I can come along with you.
As what?
You're a woman.
No, I can't travel with you. You're not my wife. Pack your things and leave. Simple.
Baby, what are you saying?
Stop questioning me.
I don't like the way you speak to me sometimes. I don't like it. Why are you talking to me like that? I'm your woman.
You don't get family members. You don't get why they banish you. My friend, go back. I'm traveling.
I'm not going back to my people. I'm going with you.
Where are you going with the bag?
I'm leaving town.
I thought you said he'll be tracking you.
Yes. I don't want him to clamp down on me. So for safety, I'm leaving, okay? On no account will you tell anybody that I traveled. Please. Once the heat is over, I will come back so that you can transfer the money. In fact, I might not even come. I will call you so that you transfer back the money I sent into your account. Biko.
No problem.
Remember, no matter who is asking, you don't know my whereabouts.
No problem. Brother. Brother. The world is mine. This life, no hurry in life. So, where are the girls? The pretty girls. Can you see work as well? Are they working?
Ego Yibo. Ego Jiolu. onwe surname. Ọkwa ma na ego amaka. Ọkwa onye nwe ego onwe surname. Ego ji olu. Ọkwa onye nwe ego onwe surname. Ego oyibo. Ọkwa onye nwe ego onwe surname. Ijide cash amalụ gị. Ịpụta n'ọgbọ izoye mmemme without cash you are on your own. Ego amaka. Ijide cash amalụ gị. Ịpụta n'ọgbọ izoye mmemme without cash you are on your own. Ego amaka. Ego ji olu. Ọkwa onye nwe ego onwe surname. Ego oyibo. Ọkwa onye nwe ego onwe surname. Ijide cash amalụ gị. Ịpụta n'ọgbọ izoye mmemme without cash you are on your own. Ego amaka.
It is obvious that if Okosisi lays his hand on my brother, he's going to kill him. What do I do? No, I won't let that happen because that is definitely going to break my mother's heart. What do I do now? I'm going to make a report to the police.
I know you'll be wondering how I was able to track you down. You think I'll let your brother go out of the willingness of my heart? No, I wouldn't going to do that. I was going to kill him, but he promised to deliver you to me, which he did.
I'm sorry. Biko.
Listen, Doze, I'm not here to bargain words with you. And what I need is very simple. My money.
Please. We are brothers. I don't have this money. I was duped. I can give you my phone. Check my account balance. I don't have cash.
Doze, it is not a request. It's an order. I'm not your brother. If I was your brother, I wouldn't have run away with my money. I brought you to Toronto to show you the way. And you wanted to play smart on me.
Oh, necessary.
And you're here calling me a brother. I'm going to kill you if you don't give me my money. I'm not joking with you. You think I'm joking?
You've got me a bit. I have this money, I'll give it to you. But I don't have it. You don't have money.
Because I need my money. So if you don't give me my money, I'm going to do something stupid. And you won't like it. I'm not your brother. I need my money!
Hold it there! Freeze!
Let me be the victim.
What is happening here?
I said freeze! Drop that weapon! I said drop it!
Let me be the victim, sir. I need a kidnap. How about that?
What is happening here?
Let me be the victim. Let me the kidnap. Let me be the victim. Let me. Save me first.
Officer, Sergeant. Sergeant, man. Sergeant. Search him. Get up. Collect his phone. Collect that phone. Bring the phone. Move them. I don't want to go. Move. I said move.
Move. They kidnap me. My bag there for them. Move. See the guy here.
Move. Move. Jesus. Move. Move.
Let me the guy.
Move. Move.
So my bag there.
Move. I said move. Move.
Mama, if you see the kind of enjoyment your boy they enjoy now, yeah, this one passed lottery visa. Which lottery visa, Mama? Come on. Let's just say that God has smiled on your son. If I had to go, Mama, I could go no also the phenomenon. Mama, now what for you? Who is dossier? Dossier, I found mother gafa busu. Can't keep dossier and I can't dossier. Focus on your son, no, me na can't dossier. Who is dossier? Nah, Mama, man, concentrate. I know more for ma. Yes, you see. I will tell you more when you come to Lagos. Yes. If I'm when Lagos, Ebaka. No, don't worry. Don't worry. If I go, go. If I go. Ah, Mama. Hey, I want to mentor you, man.
Ego, ego, ibo. Ego, jolly, Okwe manega maka.
Move! Sorry, sir. They kidnapped me, I told them. This one is the organ. He's into drugs abroad. He's even mixing it with Yahoo. I'm telling you.
Move!
Arinze,
yeah.
Your brother has just been arrested alongside his business partner, Okoisi.
Really? I'm so happy.
You are happy that your brother is in police custody?
I'm happy because the man that wanted to kill my brother will not succeed.
Oh, yes. But your brother is facing money laundering charges, and you'll be needing a good lawyer for him not to go to jail.
So how is that my business? My brother should get himself a lawyer.
How can you do that while in the police custody? He said you should see him immediately. That you have the money in which we will use to get him a good lawyer.
I should see him immediately. Yes. As in his houseboy. No, I want to understand. Besides, did he even give me any money?
Excuse me?
Did he give me any money? Oga, listen. I don't want to see your frustrated face in my compound anymore. Okay? If I see you here again, I'll get you arrested. And I'm not missing words.
Arinze.
Get out. Yeah, and the reason I brought you here is because you're one of the prettiest girls my brother was pulling out with. And I also want to inform you that this house does not belong to him anymore. This is now my house.
Oh my goodness. Hello.
Hi.
Are you dreaming? Like in your dreams?
Really? You think I'm joking?
Yes, of course you're joking. How do you mean this house belongs to you and not your brother? Come on, wake up. Wake up.
Okay, I'll say it one more time. This house, not just the house, with everything inside, belong to me. And I'm not joking.
Please stop this joke.
You doubt me, right?
Of course I doubt you.
Get out of my house. Get out from this place. Think I have that time?
Oh.
No, I don't have that time. Since you don't believe me, leave and don't come back.
Calm down. We are not quarreling. You know, I'm just trying to, understand that, absolve that you own this place. Your brother used to own this place. Okay, if you now own this place, where is your brother?
If you ask me that question one more time, I will eject you from this compound. If you ask me that question one more time, you will not enter that gate again. You will tell me if you have come here to enjoy my money or you've come here to inquire about my useless brother.
Why are you not saying like this? Why are you talking like this? See, forget this my accent though that I'm doing here on your chat. It's just packaging. Everything is packaged. See, let me tell you, who no like better thing? I like better thing. If you give me money, I'll go shop am. Look at me now. Learn what I killing. Just let go. You want to kill now? What you go do? I am ready. I am ready to eat the money. Just bring it. Give it to me. Yes.
Okay, now, why do you see?
Now. Anna Meli, Kelly.
You give head.
Hi. See, if I give you head here, you will just be screaming.
If you do it, 500,000.
Is it getting?
Yes.
Let's start now.
In 1 million.
Anna, 1 million.
1 million naira.
This is your bed. You go just full na. Let's start now. Let's start now. Pino mo.
Mama, this one you came unannounced. I hope all is well. You didn't even call me.
So I'm supposed to call you before coming to my son's house, oh yeah?
Mama, this is 21st century. You don't just go to people's house without calling them on the phone. That's what you should do. Come on, simple courtesy.
Where's my son? I have been trying to call him on the phone and he's not picking. His number is switched off. Where's my son?
That's because he made an emergency travel. And as it stands, I don't know when he's coming back.
What do you mean by that?
No what?
Good afternoon, sir.
Yeah. How are you?
I'm fine.
I'm a village mama. Yes?
I don't know what you're saying. See, the reason I'm here is that I brought this beautiful girl. Her name is Mma. See, endowment. A beautiful girl endowed naturally. I brought her for Dozie to marry her. Eh? Dozie has to marry a wife from the village.
Really?
Yes.
Well, that's why you're here.
Yes, where is Dozie? Biko, where is he?
Leave Dozie. I'm the one in charge now. Dozie is out of the question. The guy you're looking at now is in charge of everything happening in this house.
You're in charge? Hey, look at how you're dressed like the big man. You're supposed to be at the gate, not dressed like this.
Mama, leave that. If you're here, truly, like if the reason you brought her is for my younger brother to marry her, right? Well, good, there's a lot of job for you to do because I just had a party last night with some beautiful girls. So you need to go inside there and start by tidying the house, okay? Clean it up. I hope you're coming from village, so you'll start walk. So go inside, drop your bag, and then start tidying the whole place, okay?
What is wrong with you? What is wrong with you? Are you deaf? Didn't you hear what I said? I said I brought this girl for Dozie to marry her, not to become a house help. Come.
Hey.
Don't mind him.
Well, if that's not the reason you brought her, then you have to take her home. Yes, now.
Arinze.
Yes.
Arinze.
Mama.
Arinze, do you know the difference between a wife and a maid?
The most important thing there is that she's a woman, right? And if she wants to be a wife, she should start working. Let's even know if she's fit for the job.
Don't mind him. Open this door, please. Let me go inside.
Which door? Village, but champion in our village, you go. He's a village champion now. Come on, she should even pass for house help.
Are is the one? Open this door. Let me go inside and wait for my son. He has to come back and take this girl. I don't want to miss this girl. You know, for diamonds.
My son, I will go couple.
One. Open this door. 1, 2. Come.
Thank you. You can welcome bloom. Yeah, Mama. Don't worry. You have to start going then. I'll see you, eh? But you see, you would have taken this girl along with you instead of leaving her behind. Especially now that my brother is not around.
Is your brother gone forever? Oh no, man,
well, something close to that.
Arinze, Is there something you're not telling me? Where is my son? Where is Dozier? Huh?
Well, there's a problem. At the same time, not really a big problem. Okay? He just needed to step out for a while, and then he'll come back later, but not very soon.
Oh, she says it's not a big problem. Anyway, I am going to leave this girl with you here. I want you to take care of that girl like your brother's wife. Well,
Mama, I will take care of her as one of my brother's properties.
What?
Yeah.
Property?
Mm-hmm.
That girl is not a property.
Mama,
She is a wife.
Mama, that thing I'm seeing there is a full property. Full-time property. Look at Ike. Ike more than I hate her.
Shut up and listen to your mother. That girl is not a property. Is your brother's wife. Munye Dozier.
Mama?
That's what she is.
I'll see you later. Let me go start the work. Since obviously you don't want me to take care of her like a property, let me go and take care of her like my brother's wife.
Okay, your brother's wife.
Yeah,
Munye Dozier. Take care of her as Munye Dozier, not Munye Gio. I know you.
Mama, don't worry. I will talk to you, okay?
I'll call you from time to time to know whether he's back. Oh.
That's fine. No problem. So, I want you to tidy up this place, okay?
Okay, sir.
At least you have respect. Meanwhile, in the meantime, you will be serving in this house as a maid, pending when your supposed husband comes back.
Sir, as a maid, I'm not going to this house to do maid now.
As what?
As housewife.
Whose wife? Wait, if I toast you, like I see you on the road and say, I want to marry you, you accept it.
I know.
Come on, shoot Otondo. Otondo. Ozuike. See, for now, you're a house help. You'll be serving as a house help, okay? You cannot do that, then you go home. There's no vacancy for wife in this house. Did I make myself clear?
Okay, sir.
Before I'm gone. Come on, you'll be serving here like as a maid till your husband returns. Yeah?
Okay, sir.
Uh-huh. When he returns, you'll know what to do. You'll have to send you back to the village. I can tell you. Go to work. Get to work and do that while
Yes, sir.
you're not bogus. Yeah, it seems you're making something very,
Yes, sir.
Oh, really? You must be a very good cook.
Yes, my mom owns a restaurant in the village.
Your mom owns a restaurant in the village. No wonder. No wonder. Whoever is making this thing must be grounded. Eh? Hey. You see, I've been looking for a way to employ a cook, a good cook that will be befitting for a big man like me. Eh? And God just sent you on a platter. On Weibo Kalawaka. Eh?
Okay, sir.
So how soon will the food be ready?
Yeah, very soon. I will soon serve it.
I can't wait.
I know. You will like it.
You need to serve this big man.
No, sir. Let me go check on it.
Okay.
Kashi, you are on your own.
Hey. Okomari kana woli si ewa biko. Eh? Kaya bojo ka madu ku am. Ogene.
Baby, stop doing this. Oh my God.
Stop now. How was your trip to Abuja?
Baby, my trip was awesome. You know, I'll be traveling this weekend.
Again?
Yes, baby. I decided to come and spend some time with you. You know, I've missed my man. Come here, baby. Give me some sugar.
I've missed you too.
I missed you more. So, how have you been?
Just there, you know, missing you all this while because I've always wanted to have this sugar right here. Hey, Chile, 1 at 1 million.
Baby, you know now, eh?
Yeah. Thank you very much, Mama.
You're welcome,
So,
You know, it's summer, right? You know, I can't wait to show you the new style.
Sir, is there anything else you want me to do for you?
oh no, nothing. I'm fine.
Okay,
Oh, please come. Yes, I want something.
What do you want?
I want boiled egg, like 5 pieces, and I want shawarma. I want salad with chicken.
It's the shawarma. I can't make it. I can't.
Go get it. Come on, go and buy it.
Okay. Money, sir.
You know where to get money. What's your problem?
Okay, sir.
Baby, who is that thing?
That's the woman my mother brought for my brother to marry.
You mean your mom brought that old cargo for your brother to marry?
You see, the problem you guys were having is you see my brother like a fly-ass guy. No, he's such a local champion. This is what he deserves.
Local. Okuku Igbo now.
My brother was okay, but I'm not Diego.
Hey!
Okay, Igbo, one day.
Baby, please. Forget about her. Baby, come. Come and use it under your pillow.
Hey!
Baby!
The reason I let you in here is because you dated my brother in the past. But that's in the past though. Because my brother is also in the past. I am the future, I am the present, I am everything. So it's either you deal with it, or you can use that door and don't come back.
I must say I am surprised because your brother never told me about it before. But it's all cool. I am game.
Yeah.
I am here for the money.
Of course, because I have money. And I have it there now. Are you okay?
I'm okay.
Are you sure?
Yes, I'm fine.
Do you care so much about a maid? Or you guys are having a thing privately?
Who are you? My wife? Or my mother? I mean, how dare you ask a grown man such a stupid question?
I am sorry about that.
You should be. Well, for your information, she's my friend. And she lives in my house. So it is my duty to care about her welfare.
Oh, now I get it. It's okay, I'm sorry about that.
Fine.
So tell me, what happened to your brother, Jose?
What happens to greedy men and cheats? That's what happened to him. You told me he left you for another man.
Yes.
And that broke your heart?
Of course.
And that's because you were thinking he was a gentleman.
Yeah.
You trusted him. Well, it might interest you to know that I am not a gentleman. I'm even worse than him.
Really?
Mm-hmm. So, if you're here for the money, enjoy yourself, you have fun, what does it matter? This life is an endeavor. An endeavor. You cannot finish it. Mm-hmm. You don't look happy. Is everything okay?
Everything is fine. It's just that since I came to this place, I came to marry your brother, but your brother is not around. I used to see you and those girls used to enter the room every now and then in the night, and I'll be hearing, hey, it used to disturb me. I can't even sleep at night.
Wait. If I get what you're saying right, you feel honey, right? We turn you on.
I don't know what that word is, but what I know is that I feel lonely and I catch cold at night. And my body, I don't know what is wrong with me.
Say no more. Come here, come on. So in other words, what you're trying to say is that you want closure. Come here. You want closure. I've been meaning to tell you this, but since you have said it, it is done.
Are you serious?
Now you can enjoy me like every other girl.
Can we go inside?
Inside? What are you doing inside now? I don't feel anybody. Come, we can take one here. You know doggy, right?
Yes.
Ew. Hey! Jesus, say. Sandra, what did I tell you at the time in Seoul? I told you that I'm not a gentleman. Did I not?
Is that why you're going for an ordinary maid?
You shut up your mouth, how dare you? Who are you? To dictate who I pull with. Who are you? I told you that girl is my friend. Wait, I am not going to have a problem with you.
Having a problem with me, how?
It's a question. Am I going to have a problem with you?
No.
Fine. Then stay out of my way and mind your business. Wait for your turn. When I call you that I need you, you come. No vis-a-vis, no need head vis-a-vis. When I need a head, I call you. Come and give me a head. Look at your mouth. So how was it?
It was succulent. It was sweet. It was everything. I enjoyed it.
No. Since we are shouting, even if we're there for market, I'm sure all my neighbors will say, what's happening? Are you killing that girl?
You reached me then, Shant. What you carry?
Whatever I carry is not the problem. Do you hear yourself?
Because what I felt inside of me. No, you are wrong. What I felt inside of me looks like What's choking?
Anyways, go and make something for me to eat.
Oh no.
Yes.
I thought we should one more round now. Yes.
Did anybody tell you I'm on the social media?
No, I've not had enough. Yes. Come on now. I've not had enough. One more round. Yes. Okay, don't worry, I'll jump top. Let me climb.
Hey. You don't deny no survive. You want done top.
Sandra.
Yeah,
How far?
I'm good. Are you done with her?
Yes. Sharp one. It's your turn. Let's go. Let's go inside.
You see, I am not ready to sleep now.
I don't understand. Who is talking about sleep? Have you come here to sleep? Come, let's go inside. Let me go give you 1 or 2 rounds. I say more sleep. Who are you talking about sleep?
I am not in the mood now. I have a movie I'm watching tonight.
Really? You see the problem with you girls? When they give you allowance, you look for allowance. Eh? They give you a handshake, you go for a hug. Just because I press your nyash small, you don't dey form. You're not forming my girlfriend, I'll be my wife, or I'll be waiting. You see, I don't like this energy. So first thing tomorrow morning, take your things and get out of my house. I don't want to see you again.
No, don't do this, please. Abrinze, it's okay.
Relax, I don't have that kind of time.
No, wait. I didn't mean it. I am sorry. I am sorry. You know I like you so much.
Come and give me something to do love. You and me do love. Osita, whatever you call you, I did not call you here because I like you. No. I invited you because I have a business to do with you. I don't know if you're interested.
Why not? As long as the pay involved is good. I actually don't do business with friendship. Once the money involved is okay, I'm in.
Exactly. That's the spirit I was actually looking for. You see, you and I know that my brother, who was your friend, is not coming out anytime soon.
I know, and it's a pity.
But you know what? I don't care. Oh yes, I don't care because his absence is in my favor. There's a girl I want you to track for me. I will pay whatever it takes, as long as you get the job done, since you know your whereabouts in this town very well.
Who is she? Any pictures?
I'll give you all the details. You don't have a problem. Just get the work done. And you'll smile.
Out. Excuse me.
Leave this kitchen. I want to prepare food for my man.
I don't get it. And I'm also preparing food for my brother-in-law.
Really?
Yes.
I want to prepare food for my brother-in-law. Your brother-in-law you shamelessly slept with.
And how is that your business?
It is my business.
Really?
How dare you speak to me in that manner? You stupid.
And how dare you talk to me in that manner?
Have you lost it? Next time you speak to me this way,
and what will
you
happen?
see what I'll do to
you. Can't do nothing.
Give me that knife.
My friends, yes. See,
leave this kitchen.
Respect yourself.
Leave this kitchen.
I'm holding knife. Oh.
Drop this knife.
I am holding knife.
Drop this knife.
You better respect yourself.
Drop this knife now. Drop the knife. Leave this kitchen now. Drop that knife. Drop it. Drop it. Leave this kitchen. Leave this kitchen. Idiots. Honey dog. Get out. Idiots. I don't blame you now. Both of us don't drag the same prick. See finish, don't enter them. Fool. Next time you will try this, you will see true color of Sandra. Hey.
What are you doing here? I thought you should be making my food back now.
She sent me out of the kitchen.
Who did?
That wicked lady, of course.
Are you serious?
Yes. Baby.
Yes.
Your food is ready.
Can I talk to you for a moment?
Yes?
pack your things this minute and leave my house and do not return. Shut up! How dare you? Jesus! How dare you? Are you stupid?
Jeez.
Are you stupid? You asking me a question? You had the guts to lay your stupid crocodile fingers on my girl? Are you stupid?
I'm sorry.
You're sorry. Idiot. No, tell me why you did that. No, I want to know. Am I married to you? Am I your husband?
No.
No. So what gave you the guts? What gave you the guts to chase man out of my own kitchen?
I'm sorry.
No, listen. I am tired of seeing your frustrated witchcraft face in my house. Leave here this minute. Now, pack your things.
Please, just forgive me. I'm sorry.
You think I'm joking? You think I'm joking?
No.
You think I'm joking? Yeah? You think I'm joking? You think I'm joking, Abi?
No.
You think I'm joking, Abi?
Oh my God.
You must be the new maid. Please help me with my bag.
Hello. Hey, come back here. I am not the maid. And who are you, please?
I should be asking you that question. Who are you?
Are you going to answer me who you are, or you want me to push you out of this house? Huh?
Push me out?
Yes.
Oh my goodness. This way is Arinze. Arinze! My bag! Silly bitch. Arinze! 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 Can you imagine? I met a certain lady at the gate and she said she's not your house help. Who is she?
You mean Ma?
I don't know her name. Is that her name? Who is she?
Well, she's not my housemaid, per se.
Per se? Then who is she?
Well, it does not matter.
No, it does matter. She disrespected me. Yeah, she did. I thought you said you don't have a woman in your life. What's going on?
Well, I do not have a woman in my life. Well, come to think of it, did you come for her or did you come for me?
It's just that I
said forget about her and focus on me. Okay? Look at me. I'm the man of the moment. So, what did you get for me?
Well, I got myself a mom. Meanwhile, baby, thank you for the money and the flight tickets.
Well, that's because I know what I want and I know you're not going to disappoint.
Nebe Kwano, you know me. Let's go. Let me go and show you.
Let's go finish it up inside.
Of course.
Okay, man. Walk back.
Let's go.
So how do you go?
I don't locate her.
Really?
Yes. I think she's a married woman now. I saw she and her husband in a mini restaurant.
Mini restaurant?
Yes. Mini restaurant.
Well, you've done a good job. Okay? Yeah, can I have the location?
Yes, I think it's in my car. I'll get it for you.
Please go and get me something to eat. I'm talking to you. Get me something to eat. I don't understand. Is that why you have to switch off the TV? And who the hell are you to question me? Please, don't you ever try this again. Will you shut up your stinking dirty mouth? Are you normal? Is this your house? Are you not the house help? Get me something to eat, my friend. What's wrong with you?
I should get you food. As your house help. Or what?
Of course you're the house.
Who the hell are you?
Shut up! Who the hell are you?
Who the hell are you?
Get me something to eat.
Hunger
What
will
rubbish?
beat you for this house. Never
Arise! What kind
Arise.
of rubbish human being is this? Arise! Where did you get this nonsense girl from? Stupid! Arise!
I don't know, different species, different girls. Arise! You two do.
So what's happening?
Babe, who is that bushmeat you brought to this house? Who is she?
Hey, shut up! How dare you barge into my room? Can't you see I'm on a phone call?
No, babe, please, you need to send her away. She's so annoying. What's going on here?
Fine. I will sort this problem once and for all. If there's anybody that needs to be sent away from this house, this minute, and out of my life, it is you.
What?
And for that, pack your things and get out.
But babe, I'm just trying to
Hey, I said get out of my face. Say Azupo. Make all the Ozuike. My guy, I beg no verse. All these stupid girls when they come here, all they misbehave.
I can't take this. Honestly, this is an insult to my person. How can someone that is a maid or supposed to be a maid share same table with us? What is really going on?
Can you please shut up?
Ha! What do you mean even shut up? I don't understand though. I don't like it. Look at her, she's coming. Idiot.
What happened? Why are you shouting? Why are you making noise?
Let's see about God punish you.
I used to think city girls have sense.
If you talk back, I will slap you.
But you keep quiet.
I will design your
What
face.
is wrong
Are you
with
stupid?
you? What is wrong with you? Why are you shouting? Are you a public dog?
If I slap,
just try it.
You have luck, oh.
Touch me.
You just have one luck here.
Make me.
And you know why.
I say you should make
You
me
know why. Arise. Shebi, you're seeing it.
Why are you involved in
Shebi, you are seeing
Hey!
it.
Why are you involved in this nonsense? Why? Well, you're a fellow woman now. Besides, you started it. So you guys can fight it out. I'm watching. Yes,
Is that what you're saying?
Royal Rumble.
No.
Let's go.
That's what you have to say.
Smack down.
Is that what you have to say? I don't blame you. You, in this house, I will show you. Rubbish, stupid idiot.
You think it's what happened in the afternoon? I will teach you that I'm a correct village girl. Please, come on. Does that girl have a mental problem?
Will you shut up? You are beginning to feel too comfortable. Abi, shut up.
But you saw her. She started it. So she was ranting. You saw everything,
I don't
didn't
blame
you?
you now. I don't knock you now. That's why if I did, I tell you shut up. You keep talking.
Are you not trying to?
All right, get out. Get out. Sharp, what's up?
Are you supposed to be shouting at me too?
Ozuike. Leka syrup, what's on? Stupid girl. What are you doing?
I'm packing my things. I'm leaving your house. What is going on here? I can't take this rubbish anymore. Enough is enough.
Really?
Yes.
Nice.
Nice. Is that all you're going to say? No. Is that all you're saying? Nice.
Madam, if you want to pack, like you want to leave, pack and leave now. Pack and leave. Are you the only girl in this town? Or you think if you say you want to leave, I will start jumping? Okay, get out, guys. Let's call somebody else.
So what are you doing now?
I'm calling your replacement.
No, I thought you said you love me. Which one is your calling me?
What? Hey, don't stress me. Which one is that? I thought you said you love me. You say you want to pack. Get out. Okay, you think if you just come start packing your bag, I'll start jumping. Hey, she's leaving. Who gives a shit about
Don't call anybody. I'm here for you.
Well, let me call who give me better doggy now.
It's okay.
See. Madam, don't stress me. I don't like stress. You understand? Next time you do this nonsense, you walk out and you won't come back. After I didn't force you to come to my house, you came on your own.
No, it's because I love you. If I don't love you, I will not be here.
Then behave like you love me. Because me and one million is behave. Since you're really person that one million, none of them carry your dad. What you gonna get now? What you do? Okay, don't worry. Give me a doggy first. Make I don't want him now. Give me a doggy. Push it down.
I still have not been able to get to the I am so worried. I don't know.
Where did you say your son went to? I don't
even know. Why no? Arinze is talking from both sides of his mouth.
Oh.
First, he told me that he traveled. Again, he said he's running from his debtors. I don't know what to believe again.
Debtors?
It's a debtor.
Are you sure this boy is really telling you the truth? What do you want to sit? What game is about?
What do I know? I don't think Arinze is telling me the truth. Like he's hiding something.
Where?
I want to go to the city myself. Let me go and find out this myself. This is unlike to say my son. But since that time, I've not heard from him. He don't call me. He don't bring anything.
I'm going.
You know, my son is not like that. You know, but he will always call me. He's not like that.
Let me go.
Just like that.
Let me say, come on. Bye-bye. Madam, what are you doing on that bed?
I don't understand. What am I doing at this bed?
What are you doing on the bed?
Because it's my turn to spend the night with him.
With who? Who is him?
Arinze.
My friend, shut up your mouth. Come down from that bed. What do you mean? What do you mean? Don't try that rubbish with me. Get down from there. With your big book doors. Baby, take this girl to bring that hangers from this bed.
Come and drag me out of this bed.
She's right. Listen to me. She's right. It's her turn to sleep with me tonight. You have a problem with that?
No, not like I have. But babe, if I want to spend come on, I will beat you. Don't try me, I'll punch you.
What's her name?
Baby.
Get out.
Go, my friend.
How can I go now? We can't go. Okay, let's get
Hey!
No!
What's that? I told you, get out. Get out of this place. Get out.
I'll teach you. Oh.
Princess.
Never see woman will bring this with like this.
Hey, how is too much?
Hey, shut up.
You know, now you want to bounce on me. Baby, come now. My goodness.
Wait, though. I hope this night you have no plan or intention of climbing on top of me.
You know I love climbing on top of it.
Don't worry. Let me sleep in the parlor. Don't worry.
Okay, come, baby, come now. Take it. See how you want to. Don't worry.
You want to kill me?
We'll do doggy style. Yeah. Come. Come now.
Are you not supposed to be serving food? And you're here seated, eating watermelon.
I don't understand.
What do you mean by you don't understand?
Serving food as what? As a maid? Am I your maid?
Wait. The last time I checked, they brought you in here to marry Dozier. But Dozier is nowhere to be seen. So you are the maid of this house. I can't be hungry and you sit down here to eat watermelon. Are you stupid or something is wrong with you?
Your English too much. What's your point? They speak English, speak English. You did school, I be the lecture room. The last time you check, I'm supposed to be a maid. But the last time I check, I am no more a maid.
See me, see this Mweke feeling funky. Wait. Do you know me too well? No. Did you ask questions about me? You did not ask, Abi. I am talking to you.
Come.
Are you stupid?
I did to you.
Is it because you started wearing lashes and you think we're in the same class? Listen, you local bitch. I am not in the same class with you, and I will never be.
You don't shout finish.
Wait.
You don't shout finish.
Let me get something right. Are you sleeping with Arinze?
Jam question.
Oh my goodness.
Arinze! Come back, what kind of food for me?
Baby, I want to understand something.
Okay.
Like, are you this shameless? You don't have class. You mean you brought yourself so low, very low, to sleeping with that thing they brought from the gutters, from the village? Are you sleeping with that dirty village girl? Are you?
Can you go straight to the point? So what are you trying to say? I mean, what is all this in drama?
I am trying.
What do you get she gets?
Excuse me. No, excuse me. No, take a good look at me. Does she look like anything like I am? She doesn't. I am way better, neater, cleaner, sexier than she is. Please, that's an insult.
She's even cleaner.
Oh.
Oh yeah. I mean they chopped off now, so I can tell.
Oh, really? Now I see you don't have class.
Really?
Yes, because you can stoop so low to sleeping with that thing. Well, that's your business, actually. You can go about eating any kind of food that you see. I'm sorry for you. Who is that other one with big bum bum? Who is she?
Why are you interrogating me? Who are you?
I'm your woman, of
course. No, who told you? Shut up your mouth. You're here to chop my mind and say you're my woman. Who don't make you my woman? I don't get it. You stand here to talk rubbish, they tell me who to pull out and who not to pull out with. Oh, you said I'm classless. Oh, really? Of course. I am. Sleeping with you is enough reason that I'm classless. And secondly, to answer your stupid question, that other girl, what's her name? Judy. Yeah. She's one of my girls. Do you have a problem with that?
I don't have a problem with that.
Good, because if you do have a problem with that, you get out of my house.
Oh, all I'm saying is you can go ahead and do whatever you want to do. It's none of my business. All I want you to know is whatever I want, Ify, I must get it. So get ready. Make sure you're ready to provide everything that I want. Odogu, you want to go? You have to behave like Odogu. That's all. Once you're giving me everything I want, it's not my business. Yes.
And that's last my money if I go.
Of course.
After all this grammar you speak now, I don't condescend. Okay, come and give me a head.
Of course, when you pass.
Before, when pasta before.
Odogu.
Okay, don't be stressed. Come here, don't stress.
Just give me all the money. That is all I
need. Inemanya ihotifem nako. Ego jolu. Okwoye wego we sone. Ego yibo. Okwoye wego we sone. Ego jolu.
What is my money? 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 What is my money?
What are you saying? You don't you ever shoot. Are you okay? If you try me, I will shoot you.
Baby!
What you will see, you don't like it. See, thank God you're awake, baby. This shower is not going to sleep
sleep on this bed. You're trying me. I'll show you in pieces. This Ashawo, he's not going to sleep on this bed. This time, it's my turn.
Which turn?
It's my turn, baby.
Son, baby. See, baby. Adima si Chineke nyere m aka na onye ngeti. See, forget how they speak spray.
If I leave my hand on your face, if I leave my hand on your face, you will not see you. If I leave my hand on your face, if I leave my hand on your face, I know what I'm saying.
Try it.
This bitch is not
try it. Let me show you. Look at this thing.
What do you want?
Ha! See, present yourself. Baby!
You feel like saying no even know.
Baby!
Now what's up? You don't get yourself. Shut up, slap, I go make sure say you blind. Idiot. Baby, this girl is not sleeping on this bed this night. Period.
Please, tell your Olosho to pack her things and leave this room because this room belongs to us.
Now your mama
and I'm spending the night with you.
You're not going anywhere.
Baby, I'm spending, okay. Oh yeah, now stay on top of you.
You see this job of gateman you want to start in this compound?
Yes, sir.
I have done it here.
Really?
Yes. Like I've done it right in this same compound.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
So what does that tell you? That time is the only thing that changes a man's destiny. What did I say?
Time, sir.
Time. It's when God wants to bless you. I mean, at the appointed time, He will send you a destiny helper. He will open channel through which you will make it. Eh?
Yes, sir.
As you are doing this job in this compound, I don't want any nasty attitude. Yeah? Yes, sir.
No, sir.
Get on by no, sir. I don't know catch a black, some no, sir.
And those works.
See, now listen to me. If I notice any nasty attitude from you or behavior, you are fired even before you say I'm sorry. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Now, I want you to restrict movements. As you are doing your job, do it with diligence. And restrict people from coming close to me, especially all these girls. Yeah?
Yes, sir.
You they hear me?
Yes, sir.
Fine. Tomorrow, I'll bring a tailor to get you uniform. Get a mother. I want me here, me. Because I can never hold up. You never go slow. I'll go to the duty post.
Okay, sir.
Thank you, sir. Don't open gate to any hard people.
Okay, sir.
Go to your gate.
Thank you, sir.
By tomorrow, the tailor will come and make sure you and get your uniform.
Okay, sir.
I want to make a passionate appeal, and I want you girls to listen and listen attentively. This house and everything that is inside it belong to me now. Yeah, it used to belong to my brother, but that's not the situation now. Not anymore. So what does this simply imply? That if you have to live in this house with me, you have to behave yourselves. No dragging of anything. In fact, behaving yourself also implies that all of us will share the same bed, peacefully and happily. I don't want nobody dragging position. In fact, the moment you think of dragging position, that's the day you're leaving my house. Do I make myself clear?
Yes.
Good. The love I have is enough to go round. So my critic is enough to go round. No dragging.
Correct.
Are we clear?
Yes.
Fine. If we're on the same page, let's eat and enjoy ourselves because
That is what life is all about.
Baby, I want you to know that you only belong to me.
And you too, baby.
That's what life is all about.
Can you drink too? What is it?
You local champion. Mind your business.
My love. My love. Sexy. Bubble. Eat from mine. Oh.
This is how life should be.
Yeah. Stop. See, I don't like it. Respect yourself.
Baby, you know, I wanted to give you some drink to cool your temper.
Oh, my sexy.
Come here. Come and kiss me.
Hey,
Do you want more?
Wait now.
Baby.
Wait now. Hey, wait now.
With money you go build empire. I follow men where don't.
Nah, can you keep it yourself? How can person carry trouble come inside? Nah, wow. How can you carry all these women come into house? No be say you go marry any of them. Nah, wow. Me, I can't do this. When God's time come. But wait, oh. This is not suicide.
Having several women at the same time is suicidal. God, what is this problem I have brought upon myself? I thought having so many girls in the house would give me peace of mind and happiness. How was my brother Dozie doing it with lots of girls and he's still normal? Why my own gone different now? Kai. Mother together will never know. That's not what I signed up for. I have to do something about it. It's either one woman at a time or nothing. Having several women at the same time is suicidal. God, what is this problem I have brought upon myself?
Who is there? Good day, ma. Good day.
And who are you?
The gateman, as you can see.
Is my son Dozie inside?
Dozie? Dozie? Who is Dozie? Sorry to ask.
What a dumb question. Is Dozie inside? Dozie is the owner of this house. Is he inside?
No, I don't know who's Dozie. My name is Arinze.
Where is Arinze?
I'm sure you can hear his voice inside.
Is that Arinze's voice blasting like that inside?
Yes.
And what is going on in there?
I don't know. Yes, at least let Madame end this once and for all.
Baby, have you smoked before?
No.
What is no? You go to
Sisi,
the
welcome
the lighter.
Yeah?
Come out from here. This old can. Come over here. Leave me. No. Over here. Leave me. Come back here. Baby, it's me and you. Me and you.
Now tongue by tongue. Tongue by tongue.
Okay, stay for here. If you say that, come back.
This life is so good. This life is so good. Oh.
Stop it now. Leave my papa. Then sexy, tell her to stand up. No way. No, give me space. Baby, it's me and you.
This game is getting interesting.
Me and you.
It's getting interesting.
Come on, baby, now me and you. Stand up from that place. It's not possible. Sexy, tell her to stand up. Don't do that. Don't do that. We stop now. Nothing stop for you. Now here we go. Baby, now here.
And what is going on here?
What is going on here? Jesus, more Jesus. Mommy, hello. Mommy. Hello.
Good afternoon, Mommy.
Good evening.
Good morning. Good night.
Mommy, welcome. Hello. Welcome. Mommy, have you eaten? Oh, then Jinji, Mommy.
Arinze Chukwu. Arinze Chukwu. Arinze Chukwu, what can you when are you Are you mad? Why did you turn your brother's house into a brothel?
You know, this question you're asking me is sounding very funny because I remember that I was telling you that my brother had turned his house into a brothel.
You will follow suit.
What did you do?
You follow suit.
Of course. My point of correction. This house does not belong to my brother anymore. It is now my house. Oh, yes.
It's a lie.
Okay.
This house belongs to Dozie, my son. That's what I know. Where do you make money for building this kind of house?
Wake up to reality, Mama.
You that they brought from the village to help, it's not going with house. It is not possible. Man, I tell you what, there's something you're hiding from me. And the thing has been bothering me. Where is my son?
Your son has gone. Huh? If I tell you bluntly, your son has gone. Gone to come back no more.
What do you mean gone? Gone how?
If he comes back, we'll thank God. Now, I need to lecture you about that son of yours because it seems you don't even know the child anymore. Yes, your son is a thief. He's a swindler. He's a 419er. Can you hear? OBT, obtained by tricks.
What do you mean by that?
Everything antisocial is your son. Do you remember Okoisi? Do you know Okoisi?
That drug dealer?
Yes, now. Your son met Okoisi in Canada and swindled him of his money. He even shot the guy. But as God will have it, Okoisi survived it and then made his way down here. Only to see your son squandering money. In the Buga, I worked hard. He wouldn't name an example. You will not say, look at your younger brother, he's working hard. Now, that hard-working younger brother of mine is a thief. So Okoisi traced him here, somehow, both of them, they found themselves inside prison. That is where they are cooling now. They are chilling.
No. Are you trying to tell me that my son is in prison?
Well, we can go down there tomorrow and I will show you. What is happening? No. Why are you crying? Why are you crying? You should be happy that in our own time, the scripture is fulfilled with a son of yours. For it is written in the Bible that no sinner shall go unpunished.
No, my son. No, my son.
disappoint me. I brought you here for you to marry Dozie, my son. Instead of you to wait for him to come back, you decided to sleep with his brother.
Mama, did you hear yourself? Maybe you should repeat it so that you can hear yourself. You brought me to the city to marry a man who is in the prison. Who does that?
Okay, he's in prison, up where? When you found out he's in prison, why didn't you return to the village? Must you sleep with his brother when you far for funna? His blood brother, you went and slept with him. Okay, look at me, you this silly girl. When you were doing this nonsense, did you think of what your mother in the village will do when she hears?
I don't even care what they will do or what they will think. I don't care. Mama, I have suffered in the village too much. Mama, it is time for me to enjoy myself.
Enjoy what? My name is Kwando yourself. Pack your things, I'm taking you back to the village.
See, Mama, I'm not going anywhere with you. I have come to stay, and you can't even take me out of this place.
Chimo.
Yes. Mama, not even you, not even your son can take me out of this house. So you better get that into your skull.
It's me that brought you here,
Mama.
Okay,
Mama, you are just stressing yourself because I am not going anywhere with you. Excuse me.
Negi, you are going to prepare, follow me. You are going to the village in Afwala.
Mama, you don't have to bother her, okay? Let her stay.
What? Are you mad? Have you forgotten that that girl is the girl I married for your brother? Huh?
So, is my brother going to marry her from the prison? My brother is in the prison, so he cannot marry her from there. If the girl says she wants to stay, then allow her. I'm not complaining either.
So, because your brother is in prison, I should allow that girl to join you and do those things I saw you doing?
Mama, just ignore them, okay? Don't worry, I will sort them out very soon. It's not a problem.
Arinze, as much as I am comfortable that you are enjoying your brother's wealth, I will not allow you to squander it. Oh, ma'am, it's not possible. It's either you settle down, or I will give you my trouble. Basbos, nukute trouble. Have you forgotten who I am? It's a second.
Okay. Two things I need to correct you. First, it is not my brother's money. It is my money. Secondly, I don't need to marry a wife to get a child. I can get 5, 6 girls impregnated and they all give me children and I will train them. You see, what is important? It's not to get married to women. It is to have money.
Shut up your mouth. Your mother can't talk to you. You're talking to your mother for crying out loud. Arinze, be careful what you say to me. I'm still your mother. Have you forgotten who I am? Be careful what you say to me and what to do with your life. Be careful. Huh.
If you were not my mother, honestly, this nonsense you did now would have walked out of this compound.
Walk me out. Kimweli Sisa. Oh, you walk me out now. Mba, walk me out. Me? Mukweli?
Rubbish.
Who be that? Good day, sir. Who are you? Who are you, sir? Excuse, sir. Who are you?
This is my house.
Which house? Please, this is not your house. You are longer there, Sabel. Get out.
I said this is my house. Who are you?
Please, get out before I call the police. Can you go?
I can't wait to go to the room and just, twerk it for you, baby. I will give it to you, baby. You know how I do it? I do it this way. Oh my God.
Yeah, go girl.
Come on, show him what you got. Show him what your mama gave you, baby. Show him what your mama gave you, baby. Oh, show him. Juma, no drink the one we go make you no go know yourself. What did she find? Local champion. Look at her. Go drink the one we go. This is okay. This is okay. Yes. Baby. We don't need some local champion. Yeah. Look at it, baby. Oh, I will give it to you. You will mourn my name. You will say iffy, baby. Give it to me.
You
know, no people that are wearing up and down Mary Amaka now. Does it? Jesus.
Tonight, now 6 songs. Go do 6 songs.
Baby.
Who is that?
Baby.
If you touch me, I will descend on you. So this is it.
Baby.
Baseless horse.
No, now.
I stepped out for a few months and you all are here chilling with my local elder brother. Are you guys this cheap? A village champion. So you all are enjoying my money. I do. I'm not knowing what a base. No problem. You're welcome.
Baby, he told me you're not coming back again. He said you're not coming back again. He said
he promised to marry me.
Hey!
Guys,
Enjoy
yourself. I'm coming.
Don't worry. You lied to us.
He promised to marry me.
Oh my God. Oh my God. He promised.
My own is that they brought me from the village.
Move one side, my friend.
Other people wear their destiny. You're here talking. See this one that don't have any destiny. Come on your yash for road.
Come on for road.
Look out of you. Your base and your stand is in the kitchen. Get out.
They will not marry all of you.
Irene is a small prison where I go. I make you turn my house into a hotel.
Do you know I'm so surprised to see that you came out so soon? Wow!
How does that answer my question? To crown it all, you are chilling with my girls. My girls, my squad. You are chilling with them in my house.
Did you say your girls? Oga, I get them before, no be property. You see, these girls were here with you, not because of love, but because of money. No, if not for money, tell me why these beautiful girls will be chilling with an annoying human being like you. No, when you left, they came to the right person and are having so much fun.
No problem. Clap for yourself. Enjoy. Fun have I, eh? You can keep having fun. But can I have the money I gave you to keep for me before going to prison?
No, that is not what you should be talking about now. You just came out from the prison. So what we should be talking about is having a warm bath because maybe it's well put an AC.
Arinze,
massage.
Give me the money I gave you to keep for me before going to prison.
Calm down, you know. They need to bath you. Give you one girl on massage. You're the sharp. Then we can now sit down and talk.
Arinze, can I have the money I gave you to keep for me before going to prison?
I hope you enjoyed the food.
Yes, it's okay.
Yeah, it was actually prepared by one of the girls. As a matter of fact, it was prepared by the girl that Mama brought for you to marry. But unfortunately, you had gone to prison then. But she chose to stick with me.
Listen, that's none of my business, okay? I'm not interested in any woman now.
I know you very well. I know you are women. Calm down. If you were here, you would marry her straight up. Eh?
I'm not cut out for this, okay? I have something important to say.
Okay.
The money I transferred into your account before going to jail, please, I need that money. Transfer it back to my account.
How was the experience in prison? How was prison life?
There is nothing to discuss about suffering. Transfer that money into my account, please. I need to kick off.
You know what? Calm down. Let me go get palm wine.
Okay, don't get me angry. Transfer the money I sent to your account before going to jail.
I should not get
Transfer it back. That's what I'm talking about.
I should not get you
I don't want to drink for me.
Okay.
There is time for everything. Arinze, let's not go there. Transfer the money I sent into your account before going to jail.
Which money?
Else you will see the other side of me.
Ijimaka.
Let me have my money, Biko.
What you should say is, how much will I give you? Not transfer the money I sent. What kind of nonsense talk is that? You should say, please, my elder brother, how much are you willing to give me to compensate me?
I don't get it.
You don't get what?
From the same money I transferred into your account peacefully. Listen, you know you can't eat my money, so stop this joke. Transfer the money now, please.
Or what? Or again, You see, I know that there's nobody that steps into the prison environment that comes out as the same. You need rehabilitation for you to start behaving well, but all the same, relax. Let me get you up and wine.
Nanya. Don't get me angry. Don't get me angry. Transfer back that money peacefully. Don't even go there. You can't eat my money and you know it. So don't go there. I'm warning you.
You've made your points. Let me go get my wine.
Nanya.
Okay, if I make move here and you touch me again, yeah, you no go like him. Wait, did you give me any money?
Excuse me?
Yeah, did you give me any money? That's the right question.
Excuse me?
What excuse me?
Excuse me?
Yeah, excuse you.
I will kill you.
If you touch me again.
Arinze. Let's not go there. Arinze.
I mean, how dare you send my girls away from my house? In Apwala? Yeah?
Arinze. If not that you are my elder brother and my blood now, I swear. If I slap you, you will receive sense. Are you sick?
You will respect. You will respect. Try it. No, try it now. Mind you, Okoesi is in town. Okoesi is out of the prison too. All I need to do is just to go to him with some evidence that you still have his money. Otilo.
Arinze, you won't dare. You won't dare. It's like you've forgotten who you're dealing with.
But I want to now.
Arinze, you are playing with fire.
Show workings. Okay? I'll give you need the smart. The smart, okay? When guy for Mugu go job. And I bomb Mugu. I want Mugu now. No shaking. Who is crying?
Don't harm my baby. Take it easy. Do you want to rape me? I know I'm too sweet. I know.
You're lucky you did not live like the other girls. You see, those girls, they disappointed me.
As you see me so, I no dey fear anybody. Fear no dey for my genotype. See, even your younger brother, he no fit chase me out of this house. He no fit try am. I take it back. I stand up.
You know, I'm beginning to love you more. Yes, because those ones, they chickened out. I'll show you one thing. Once this is over, I am going to marry you.
Hey, I cannot wait. I cannot wait. Oh. Meanwhile, where is your brother?
Do I have a brother?
Oh.
No, that one I've sorted him out now.
Take me to paradise, baby.
Take me to hell.
Arinze, Mom, when we were coming inside this compound, we saw a lot of security men by the gate.
Yeah, but Biogalan gave you now. No, that's how rich men beef up their security to protect themselves from their enemies, especially in Kaya Bobia here. This is my brother.
Pay your debt and stop beefing up security. You waste unnecessary money on beefing up security.
Did you work hard for this money? No, where did you work hard for this money?
Yeah, Arinze, please. I understand how you feel. I know you are not happy with him the way he treated you when you had money.
Mama, I have never been happy with this man. I have never been happy. First, I sacrificed for him to go to school.
Sacrificial love, Mama. I'm not sure.
Now, ordinary to give me small money when I wanted to marry. He refused. Oneko, Fose.
Is it your money? Even if you know here go.
Ebeke bambega. Kebi balomboya. Ego zute. God has given my money.
I'll give you tell you.
Yeah, be ego zute oga. Yeah, be ego zute.
Izun go here. Or do you see Jesus ego?
Izute nzugalo.
Arinze. Mama. is either he gives me my money or prepare for his burial.
God forbid.
There is no two ways about that.
God forbid. Does it? I am here talking on your behalf. In Kane with you, calm down. Let me know whether your brother.
The money I gave to him, ne Jidelum, keep for me or take it. Jidelum or ne. Why can't you give? I said take half. Do you know how much you're talking about?
You see, Mama, the only reason I am listening to you people is because I thought this guy is humble. I thought maybe humility don't set in. I have no pride. Until you come and start serving me at my gate, as my gate man, if you can get it. For now, Mama, leave that thing. Leave that thing.
You're very, very stupid.
So say you cannot be calling your mother stupid.
Still alive because that money is in your account. If you can just cool me, you need guard as again.
Oh my God! See,
Madam, one solution to the problem.
Listen to your
one solution to the problem. Oga, serve at my gate as my gate man. If not, I will instruct my security men not to allow you into this compound again.
They will not put me into trouble. They will not put me into trouble. What is all this now?
Security man. You want me to come and work for you as your security man in my own house?
Next time, I will instruct my security men not to allow you 10 kilometers away from my gate. Yes.
Arinze, please. I am your mother. I gave birth to both of you. I am begging you. Just, it's a little thing that you do for me. Simple. Give him a little amount of money.
Where make him, Mama? Where make him here? That's fine.
One leg. I gave birth to both of you. Eh? Oh, what is this now? Can't you listen to me? Just obelego in your brother. Go start a business. If you start a business, there will be no more problem. Eh? What is all this now?
Hey,
you will not put me into trouble. You will not put me into trouble. I gave birth to both of you. Eh? You want to kill me? Please.
Without cash, you are on your own. With money, you go build empire. I follow men where don't build empire. Without cash, you are on your own.
Oh, baby brother. We're here. You can join us, okay? Give it to me.
I'm unavailable. You know they see me. I'm unavailable.
Arinze.
Yeah.
We need to talk.
Oh, really? You can see I'm busy with them girls, okay? So you can stick around and wait for us. When we're done, I'll talk to you.
Without cash, you are on your own. Without cash, you are on your own.
I want to thank all of you for honoring my invitation to this party. I also want to sincerely apologize
for that little distraction when my younger brother stepped in here foolishly. I'm aware he threatened you people, and all of you became sorry. You became apologetic and you are apologizing to him. You got remorseful for somebody I already told you have no place in this compound. That's really sad. And for that reason, I want to inform all of you that I have found someone I am going to settle down with.
What?
Yeah, party's over. So I want all of you to leave here. Don't worry. I have your account number, so I will still support all of you financially from time to time. That I will do. Of course, I can do it and I will do it.
Wait, I don't understand. What are you trying to say? What's going on here?
Wait. I don't even want to speak English. Sheru Godi. What are you trying to say? Are you saying that after making us to lose your brother, lose everything, you will not say we are going to lose you? Then okay.
You've lost me.
No, now we cannot lose you. Now, what are you even saying? No, what are you even saying? You're saying that all these things, look at me, just see, girl now. Now, Look at what you're ready to. Give her the way to stand up. See, just look at her. Just look at me now. Look at everything we are carrying. You're telling us that you've seen a woman. What are you saying? See, not be because I dey do love, does not mean I don't know my rights. Don't tell me that, I beg. Look what I'm that thing. I'm a working well. And I'm a way well.
Aris, it will not happen. Wait, so you got me thinking that you're going to marry me? Huh?
You?
Of course, me!
What is giving you the impression that I will marry you?
Because I'm special.
What
yeah.
is special? You are in here for the money. And that's what you've been enjoying. Okay? Now listen, I won't repeat myself anymore. I'm done with you guys. Party is over. Okay? So you guys go home.
No. This is not going to happen. After all I sacrificed, you are telling me to go.
Shut up your mouth.
I am not going anywhere. Except you pay me off.
Except
you pay me off.
You're small nash. Come on, shut up.
I've wasted a lot.
Listen to me. If you guys don't leave here in the next 5 seconds, I will invite my security men and they will throw you guys out.
I don't blame you. Because I don't understand. What kind of
You have 5 seconds.
What kind of stupidity is this?
It will not happen.
I'm not going anywhere. Aris, it's for better for worse. People have to bundle me out of this house. I'm not going anywhere.
I've decided to work for you as your gateman, no problem. If that will make you give me my money.
Really? That's a very wonderful and wise decision. And I promise you, my lovely brother, you will not regret it, but you have to be humble. In your pride. Yeah.
No problem. When am I starting work?
You can start now if you want. Yes. But first of all, you must show me some respect as your guy. Yeah? And then you respect my wife too. My beautiful wife. Just look at her. She's not like all those nonsense, stupid girls you are parading about. This one knows what she wants.
Is this not the woman my mother brought for me to marry?
And so? And so? You want to marry her now?
You took my wife to be.
Does the poor man have her done?
No.
Okay, go to the gate and do your work. This is your madam. Give her respect. She's my wife now.
You're my money.
The problem I have with you is that you have pride. Are you sure we can do this thing together? Are you sure you're ready for me to help you?
No problem, thank you.
Get out. Go to the gate. Hey, yeah. Come here. Have you told her thank you?
Yes.
I should thank your wife. What has she done?
You have pride.
No, what? Why will I thank your wife?
She's your madam. Do you know if she's the one that convinced me to bring you back and help you? Tell her thank you.
No problem, thank you.
It didn't add madam.
Hey, yeah. Add madam.
Add madam. Say madam.
Ego we surname. Okwano ego jolu. Ego we surname. Nwoke nogodu mma. Ego we surname. Nwa na-eme. Ego we surname. Ijide kasha malugi. Iputa no boy so ye mmemme. Without cash you are on your own. Ega maka. With money you go build empire. I follow men we don't build empire. Ego na-ekwu nwa kwugodo n'ọkụ. Ị na-eme anya ịghọta m na-akọ. Ego dị olu. Ọkwa onye nwe ego nwe surname. Ego Igbo. Ọkwa onye nwe ego nwe surname. Ego dị olu.
Oh. I know you are a woman of no value. Yes. You want a base. Anywhere there is money, you are there. Once you see light up NEPA, you are there. Why will you serve me with one meat? It is wrong to serve a titled man with one meat.
A titled man with gateman uniform. What are you wearing?
Gateman uniform. For a
So,
purpose.
It means that you belong to the gate. You are not the owner of this house.
Even at that, I'm a titled man. You cannot give me one meat. To crown it all, this is my house.
You know the problem you have? You are not appreciative at all. My husband warned me not to give you food.
In my house?
Yes. But because I'm a good woman now, I'm not that kind of a person. I decided to bring food for you. And you have the effrontery to complain about one meat?
No matter the condition, no matter the situation, you are not supposed to serve me with one meat.
So you eat empty food?
I'm no longer interested.
That means I'm not hungry.
Man shall not leave their bread alone.
Since this one meat you don't like it.
Eat it now, mannerless ape. I don't know where the pack will come out from. Now everyone acquire. Useless woman.
Yeah? I've been hearing you ranting from inside. I get headache. What's the problem? Hey, hold on. No way.
You know that useless woman of yours. Look at what she brought. Serving me one meat in my house.
That's the problem. It is very difficult to help you, Makanimwe pride. Yes. See how you still have the guts to be insulting my wife.
So I should bring myself down to zero because
you know na gate. You know na gate. You not insult to Madam Wono. Na gate you know as gate man. You not insult to Madam Wono. Ordinary gate man. Anyways, you are my brother. I do not hate you. I did everything I did to you now. I have to bring your pride down to teach you a lesson. That you don't look down on people just because they are unfortunate. No. If they say who go help you, no go stress you. But you go stress person before you help her. It's no good. When you are halfway up, you're halfway down. You have to be kind to the people you meet on your way up. Because you are likely to meet them on your way down. Okay? Don't worry. See your money. You'll get your money. Yeah. I will square some nice percentage to you.
In a mentor, I will say thank you very much. This is good news. So you give me back my money?
Of course, someone them go.
Your message is clear now. That money.
Who is that one?
Who is there? Open the gate.
One break.
Open the gate. Arrange. Arrange. What's you? Look at this. What do you mean by what is it?
What's the problem?
We are pregnant for you. I'm pregnant. Yes. I am pregnant. I am pregnant. Your brother has been doing me nigaro. Here. What is this? What is this?
4 people pregnant at once.
What do you mean by only you? When you were doing it, you don't know say only you.
Now.
Can you imagine? What are you saying?
Now, like saying a magic, 4 of you pregnant at the same time. You guys are.
Aris, I'm pregnant for you.
What
are you saying? I'm pregnant for you. tight, oh.
Okay, come.
You
Oh, yeah, come.
I'm pregnant. When you were doing me in the
without cash, you are on your own. With money, you go build empire. I follow men where don't build empire. Ego neku nwakwugo do n'ọkụ. Ine manya ihoti fem n'akọ. Ego dị olu. Ọkwụ onye nwe ego nwe sọne. Ego Igbo. Ọkwụ onye nwe ego nwe sọne. Ego dị olu. Ọkwụ onye nwe ego nwe sọne. Ọkwụ ịma na ego amaka. Ọkwụ onye nwe ego nwe sọne. Ego dị olu. Ọkwụ onye nwe ego nwe sọne. Ego Igbo. Ọkwụ onye nwe ego nwe sọne. Ijide cash amalugi. Ịpụta n'ọgbọ isoye mmemme. Without cash you are on your own.